Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of peppermint and unlocking its incredible health benefits. I'm your pharmacist, and I've gathered insights from experts in nutrition and research to bring you this comprehensive guide on peppermint. Peppermint, scientifically known as Mentha piperita, is primarily composed of menthol. This is the major component responsible for the characteristic cooling sensation associated with peppermint. It also has analgesic, pain-relieving properties. Menthone, another important compound contributing to the minty flavor and fragrance of peppermint. Menthofuran, this is a cyclic compound found in the essential oil of peppermint. 1,8-cineol, eucalyptal. Known for its respiratory benefits, 1,8-cineol is present in smaller amounts but adds to the overall composition. Other components include limonene, caryophyllene, and pulegone. These compounds collectively give peppermint its refreshing taste, aroma, and therapeutic effects. According to nutritionists, peppermint enhances health by improving your energy and sleep. We all know the importance of a good night's sleep and optimal energy levels for overall well-being. Peppermint can calm your stomach and freshen your breath. But there's more to it than just that. About 1 to 2 cups of peppermint tea may be adequate daily. This versatile herb can be used as a tea or garnish dish. However, caution is advised for those with bile duct, gallbladder, liver disorders, gastrointestinal reflux, hiatal hernia, or kidney stones. Peppermint may relieve digestive symptoms such as gas, bloating, and indigestion. It's a natural remedy for various stomach disorders, including irritable bowel syndrome, flatulence, indigestion, nausea, and vomiting. Peppermint can aid in the treatment of cough and bronchitis, potentially potentiating the treatment of acute respiratory tract infections. Its antimicrobial, fungicidal, and antiviral activities make it a valuable addition to your respiratory health regimen. Antioxidant power. Peppermint boasts antioxidant properties. In a study, its essential oil exhibited a remarkable antioxidant effect. Including peppermint in your diet may contribute to overall health by combating oxidative stress. Headache and migraine relief. Are you prone to headaches or migraines? According to our experts, peppermint tea can be efficient in providing relief. The menthol in peppermint creates a cooling sensation that reduces pain and helps relax your muscles, promoting a sense of calm. Remember, while peppermint is a versatile herb with numerous advantages, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.